Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about almond oil and how it can help you relax and improve your health. Almond oil is a popular natural oil that is derived from the kernels of almond trees. It has been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits, from promoting skin and hair health to supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. So, let's dive in and explore how almond oil can benefit your health. The nutritional value of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in nutrients and healthy fats, making it an excellent addition to your diet. It is a good source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Almond oil is also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the body from oxidative stress and promote healthy skin and hair. Benefits of almond oil. Promoting skin health. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and other antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help moisturize the skin and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent natural remedy for dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Supporting heart health. Almond oil is rich in healthy fats that can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming almond oil regularly can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood lipid profiles. Reducing inflammation. Almond oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds like oleic acid and linoleic acid, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be especially beneficial for people with inflammatory conditions like arthritis and asthma. Improving digestion. Almond oil is rich in healthy fats that can help improve digestion and reduce digestive discomfort. It can also help promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which can improve overall digestive health. Supporting hair health. Almond oil can help nourish and moisturize the hair, making it an excellent natural remedy for dry and damaged hair. It can also help reduce dandruff and promote hair growth. In conclusion, almond oil is a natural and versatile oil that can benefit your health in many ways. By using almond oil regularly, you can promote skin and hair health, support heart health, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.